Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share screen with Google AI Studio. So firstly open up Google AI Studio and you can just log in using your Google credentials. Once you're done with that, so here what we're going to do, click on the studio option here. So once you're on the dashboard, so click studio. Okay, so once you're here on the studio here, then you will get to this screen here. So here on the screen, what we're going to do is you're going to click on your left side menu here. From your left side menu, there is a stream option. Okay, click on the stream option. So when you get to the stream option, you will get to this screen here. So once you're on this screen, so what we're going to do is, in order to share screen, you're going to simply click on this share screen option. So when you click on the share screen, this will open up all the screens that you have currently open. So you can choose whether you want to share a particular window or the entire screen or just a tab. You can just choose. So for example, if I choose entire window, so I can simply select that. Okay, all I have to do is simply select that and hit on share, and that's it. And it's going to ask you whether you want to use a microphone. I want to use it because I'm using it for the recording at the moment, so I'll just leave that. And you can then, as you can see, it's now, my screen is now being shared, and once you're done, hit on stop sharing, and that's basically pretty much it is.